FusionPro Web is used by thousands of corporate companies to personalize and target marketing messages, streamline the ordering of marketing materials, control brand standards, track and integrate cost and inventory data information into existing applications, and provide better analysis and reporting. To illustrate how Printable's applications are being used corporate-wide to market more effectively, we will be going through a web portal set up for Jensen Bank. Although Jensen Bank is a fictitious company, this demonstration resembles the ordering experience of an actual corporate user. We offer two ways to access a company's Print1 store, the first being showcased here, from the company's intranet site with what is called a single sign-on. The user information has already been established when they signed on to the Jensen Bank intranet. With single sign-on, the user information is securely passed from their intranet site to the store, giving the user direct and immediate access. In addition, a web-based login could also be used for companies without an intranet or just as an alternative to the single sign-on. As the URL is web-based, the login screen gives remote users access through any internet connection. This gives users, like outside sales representatives, a convenient and universal entry point into their marketing portal. The user enters a user ID and password to access the storefront. Upon logging in through an intranet or login page, the user is brought to the store's homepage. This page can be customized to your needs, including custom HTML and Flash content. Corporations often use the homepage to post upcoming events, training materials, and links to other applications that can help with marketing. There is a section to showcase featured products, highlighting specific materials or products. Here you can see a sales flyer that has been highlighted. As a user scrolls over the plus sign, they see a larger preview of the item. Some examples that have been highlighted by other companies have included grand opening kits and upcoming event marketing materials. A report section is also available on the home page. Through user groups, reports can be turned on or off based on the user privileges established in the group. When active, users may select from a list of reports showing a complete order history, including inventory, transactions history, and catalog data, all of which can be pulled for a selected date range. All reports are HTML-based and can be easily exported to Excel. When shopping at the store, all orderable items reside in the catalog section. In the catalog, products can be organized in folder sections or loose like those displayed on this page. Each item has a thumbnail preview that can be expanded when a user moves the mouse over the plus button. The expanded preview assists the user in selecting the item to be ordered. When a user wants to order an item, they may click on the thumbnail, the product name, or the version button. Each item can have a name, SKU or part number, product description, and a price quantity grid. This poster is an example of a static print-on-demand item. These are items that do not change from order to order, yet they are often reordered. Instead of printing on demand, products may also be held in inventory. The inventory information can be defined and tracked by the system, so while users place orders, the quantity available for sale is subtracted in real time. In addition, a minimum quantity in inventory can be set. Once the amount ordered surpasses the minimum, the system can trigger a reorder and/or email notification. Quantity selections can be defined with an open quantity entry field, or, as in this case, a drop-down option. Once a user selects their desired quantity, the item can be added to a shopping cart. The shopping cart follows the same ordering workflow as many popular websites like Amazon.com, with a summary display for every item, enabling users to review the contents of the cart before completing the order or continuing shopping. Let's continue shopping. While in the catalog, the user can see the contents of their shopping cart. In addition to ordering static and items out of inventory, materials can also be set up to be personalized with custom text and messages. We call these products versioned items. Some common examples of version items include business cards, stationery, sales sheets, posters, flyers, banners, and postcards. For this sale, the user is able to enter their specific branch information to the flyer. This information can be saved to apply to other items or set in a user profile and applied to an item automatically. Enter a name to save this version of the information. Once the version text and images have been defined, the user can view a proof of the item with the information applied. For quicker PDF generation, the proof can be set to generate a low-resolution proof. After the file has composed, a web preview displays in the proof window. The user can also view a PDF proof of the item by clicking View PDF. The Adobe plugin will automatically launch so the user can review the PDF version with all entered data. In the PDF view, users can adjust the display to see all pages or look at each page individually. And even zoom in to better review the version content. After proofing the PDF, the user can enter their desired quantity, then add the item to the cart. The shopping cart makes an acknowledgement about the addition and again displays a summary. Let's continue shopping by clicking the tab for the catalog. In addition to the static and versioned items, variable or VDP items can be ordered as well. Common examples of variable items include postcards and direct mail pieces. Used in conjunction with a digital press, the system generates truly personalized mailings for one-to-one marketing. With variable items, the user must provide a data file to order the product. The user can upload a new file or purchase a list through the application. That information can be applied to the variable item to add customized text, images,